Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chrysler 300 key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You will need a small flat blade screwdriver and a new CR 2032 3-volt battery. This common battery type is readily available at most electronics stores or online. Having these items ready will make the replacement process quick and easy, ensuring your key fob works reliably again. The first step is to access the emergency key. On the back of your Chrysler 300 key fob, you will find a small mechanical latch. Slide this latch sideways to release the emergency key. Once released, carefully pull the key straight out from the fob. Set this emergency key aside in a safe place, as you will need to reinsert it later. Now, let's open the key fob case. Look for a small notch or gap near where the emergency key was removed. Insert your flat blade screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob case apart. Once a small gap appears, you can use your fingers to fully separate the case, revealing the internal components. With the case open, you will see the old battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry it out. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing down into the battery holder. Ensure it clicks securely into place. Then, snap the two halves of the key fob case back together until it's fully closed. Finally, reinsert the emergency key. Your key fob should now be fully functional. Check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.